Top 5 reasons investors are watching Delta Gold Technologies. Delta Gold is focused on developing intellectual property for one of the fastest growing technology sectors in the world, quantum computing. The company is researching how nanoscale gold and advanced materials could help solve one of quantum computing's biggest challenges, creating stable and scalable qubits. Delta Gold has secured research agreements with leading institutions, including the University of Toronto and Penn State, providing access to world-class researchers and facilities. The company's model is built around developing, patenting, and licensing breakthrough technologies, creating potential long-term royalty and licensing revenue opportunities. With quantum computing still in its infancy, investors have an opportunity to gain exposure to a company focused on solving foundational challenges before broader commercialization occurs. Delta Gold Technologies is aiming to position itself at the intersection of nanotechnology, intellectual property, and quantum computing innovation.